Welcome to Shanghai Leading. Our factory located in Shanghai, China. We specialize in laboratory water system for 12 years. We've been using new purification technology and improve our service all the time. Shanghai Leading sincerely hope that dealers and users all over the world will have the opportunity to know our brand and cooperate in the future. Thank you.